So how to connect your Xbox to your Samsung Galaxy S24. For that, turn on your Xbox, press this icon, and you can see this button. Press and hold this icon for 1 or 3 seconds. Then once the light is popping up, then go to your Samsung, and then press on Bluetooth. You have to enable your Bluetooth, then you can see the Xbox wireless connection. So you have to pairing it. Now you have to enable, press on pair, and now it's connected. You see my light is not turning on, and if you go to your, then you can see it's connected. And if you want to disconnect, then press on this again, and it automatically disconnect for Xbox. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.